Good morning, boys and girls of the YouTube world. So I decided to do something that I ain't done in a long time. Come down to the river, come check out some of the colors. I thought maybe I would share some of it with you. It's pretty dang quiet. A little chilly, but it's quiet. River's flowing pretty good today. She's a little down, but you know, it kind of surprises me because it's been an awful lot of raining lately. Just thought we'd come down here and check it out. I'm on my bike, as always. They were doing some construction down that way. Thinking about going down there and checking it out because they removed all the signs and everything. So maybe, just maybe, there might be something cool over there. I'm not sure, but yeah. I'm gonna order some new stuff. I found one of those invisible selfie sticks that does a 360 thing, and one of those things that goes on my head or on my chest or something. So it's kind of something that I'm gonna do. Man, wasn't even like 3 weeks ago. You couldn't even see in here. Look at all the leaves; they just all fell. I should have came out here earlier while the leaves were still on there, while they were changing colors. That would have been real pretty. But anyways, I'm gonna jump on my bike and let's get rolling. Yeah, here we go. Turn it around so you guys can see something. I really should turn my camera around, but my back cameras really sucks. So I got my other phone with me, but I don't know why, but that one's really shaky and the picture's even smaller when I upload it to YouTube. I'm having trouble trying to get my videos to go full screen. I can't figure it out. If anybody knows anything about that, please let me know in the comments. All right, what did they do? Okay, those things were sitting right here. They were doing something right here. I'm not really sure. They had this all dug out. What are they doing? Should we walk up there and go see? I see they planted new grass or something. They got all this hay and everything laying right here. Stop. Okay, let's go see. Oh, shit. Well, I don't know what the hell they did. There was a bunch of trucks here. There was a bunch of platforms. I had in one of my other videos. I was riding with Dean, I think. Oh, by the way, Dean is no longer going to be hanging out no more. He decided to go do his own thing, so I guess I'm just going to kind of leave it like that. Is that the river right there? Hold up, hang on a minute. We're going to walk over there. All right, let's go see what's going on. Hey, don't get stolen or lost, damn it. I'm telling you, don't fuck with me. Ooh, she's soft. Really, really soft. It is so noisy out here, man. Don't move to Ohio. If you guys ever want anything, don't move to Ohio, okay? Unless you like being ignorant and shooting people, you fit in just right. I don't approve. Oh, look, it is the river. Can I get over there? Man, nobody better be stealing my fucking bike. I've come out with my can of whoop ass. Well, hey. There we go. Hey, I'm on the other side of the river now. How neat is that? Let's see if we still got it. See if we still got it. No, not that one. That was too heavy. I can't do a holding the damn camera, apparently. Yeah, I'm sucky today. I don't know what the hell. This shit is soft. I've never been over here before. And it looks like... Shit. I don't want to leave my bike over there. Man, that would be a perfect little camping spot right there. Might have to consider that sometime. That's even closer than the other places I usually go. God's green earth. Isn't it beautiful? Sorry if I'm a little shaky. That's another thing I gotta get. It's one of them things that makes my camera so it's not so shaky. We're doing this YouTube thing. I don't care. I enjoy doing it. I have a lot of fun. I have a mixture of everything of videos. If you check out my videos on my page, you'll see I do a little bit of everything. Hoping maybe we'd see a deer or something. There's some birdies. What are those? Those ain't pigeons. Those are the miniature pigeons, whatever. I don't even know. Anyways, well, we explored this spot. Now my shoes are full of dirt and sand and seashells and all kinds of crap. I wonder what the hell they were doing over here. They were laying some wires or something. Looks like somebody got stuck right here. Oh my God. Okay, well, now I know a new spot we can go camping. Maybe a couple, actually. You're not supposed to camp out here from what I found out, or have open fires. I did one a few months back when I went camping. It's kind of like, oops. Oh well, I got away with it though. Man, you don't ever see these anymore. I ain't seen these in a long time. Look at these. You know what those are? I don't know what the hell they are. They grow on the trees. A bunch of them. Okay, maybe this is a clue on what they're doing. Approx, RW, and wetland. So I'm guessing when the river fills up, it comes up here. I still don't understand what the hell they were doing. Wetland. Huh. Well, they had to put all that shit out here just so they could put up these little stakes with a sign on it. Okay. Let me get over this hill and I'll turn the camera back on. I'm a little out of breath. Pedal, 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 pedal. See what happens when you stop at the bottom of the hill. All right. Powell Creek. What the sign says. I thought it was Black Lake. This is the other end of it right here, where I was just at. It just curves around. Ooh, shit. Getting a little pooped. Hey, listen up, kids. If you guys ever get shot, don't smoke cigarettes, okay? I quit a long time ago. Thank God I did. What the hell's all that shit out there? What is that? Looks like one of those outside air conditioning unit things. I wonder if I can get over there. We're being adventurous today, not necessarily just riding a bike. Figured maybe we have a little fun with this. See, look, I can lock my bike up right here and then walk away while the kids vandalize it. Kids are in school right now, though. Okay. I don't think I can get over there without a machete. I did not bring the machete today. It's so beautiful out here. Look at the trees and everything. That's the main reason why I wanted to come out here. I ain't been out here since everything started changing colors and falling on the ground. Well, what else can we see? I'm going the other way today. The way that I said, I didn't think I was ever going to go again because it kind of goes into civilization. Blah. I don't really want to do that. I think the whole reason of coming out here is try to get away from some of that shit. I hear music. I think those are those guys that are building these houses over here somewhere. I think. I kind of forget. I've only been down here once, I think, with Dean. Such a beautiful ride, though, huh? Oh, yeah. All noise is coming from over there. They're still building them, I think. Almost done, it looks like. Yep. Anyways. I'm only going to go so far and then turn around because it's a little nipply out here today. And I didn't wear enough clothes. And on top of that, I'm sweating underneath it. I don't want to get sick. I think this might be our turnaround point right here. Fat ass squirrel, my God. Eating all kinds of nuts. Oh, shit. Whew. Getting a little pooped. Here's the tunnel. This is Bryce Road. 8 foot 6 inches. I think we're good. I am the Cornholio. I can't do it like I used to. You guys ever watch Beavis and Butthead? I found them on, what is it, Pluto, the app, and it's on the comedy channels. Pretty awesome. Oh, and if you guys ever want free movies and stuff, there's this app you can get on Android. I think you can get it on Apple too, iPhone, whatever. It's called HDO Box. You have to Google search it and you can download it. You can watch Paramount Plus, Disney Channel, HBO, Max, Netflix, Hulu, everything you could think of. I mean, and it's all free. It's all free. It's got a couple of ads and you have to click on each video individually, but you don't have to pay all those damn prices. And I've been using it for a hot minute, actually. That's kind of how I watch my TV. You can watch on that Pluto or Sammy or whatever it's called. I forget. I don't know. I have it all on my computer because I downloaded this thing that runs Android on my computer, and then I track it over to my TV because I don't have a smart TV. I made it smart. And I got one of them free government phones. That's how I get my free internet too. I use that PDA Plus, PDA Net Plus. You have to pay for it. I found my way around that. But yeah, I have free internet, free phone, everything. Use your sources, fellas. Use Google and YouTube. They will teach you a lot of things. You'll come to find out a lot of things in the world, they are free. And it's amazing how much money people will pay. And like my internet works flawlessly. I plug my phone into the computer and bam, bam, there it goes. That's how I upload my videos and everything. A little secret about me. Thought maybe you guys might like that. I don't know. If you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments and I'll hook you up. I'll tell you where to look. I can send you some links or whatever I got to do. I'm all about helping people. I'm not shy to share some of my secrets. Oh man. Oh, I forgot. This goes over I-33. Well, I'm gonna see the bridge. I think that's where we're gonna go and stop. All right, hang on. Sorry about the wind noise if there is any. I don't know. This phone usually does pretty good. God, damn sirens, man. It never stops. Sometimes it's like sticking a knife through your heart. It's like, man, can we ever get any peace and quiet? Can we ever enjoy some... There's a squirrely squirrel eating a nut. Did I get him? I don't want to invade anybody's privacy. That's why I keep turning the camera off. God, it's so damn noisy. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I forget. Oh, okay. I'm not as far as I thought I was. Whew. Gender Road. We can slow down and stop here for a minute. See if we can see any fishies or something. Yeah, get off the trail. Some people go flying through here. I know. Don't get stolen or lost. Ooh, look at that leaf. That's pretty. Not really seeing much of anything. A little more on the ground. Man, I really wish I could go to Old Man's Cave. It's beautiful out there. I have to do that. I'd like to go out there in the wintertime. I bet that would be beautiful. Oop. Okay. Well, my shoes have holes in them, and my socks are officially wet. That's that. My allergies are kicking my butt. I don't see any fish. None whatsoever. Not even the itty bitties. You see any down in there? I don't see nothing. I really like doing this stuff for fun. Like, it's kind of one of my things I like to do, you know? Gets me away from shit. Ooh. You gotta watch out for these fucking things when you come flying down there. That's why I don't like doing night ride, because you run over one of them fucking things, like smeared on the concrete, baby. Let's see what's up here. What's up there? So get my ass ran over here. She echoes a little bit. So I seen these new things. Invisible selfie stick. Like, you don't see the stick. I'm on a selfie stick now. See the stupid stick? It makes it invisible. You can go even further away. Like, yo, I gotta get it. I found one on like Amazon or something like that for like, what was it, like $12 or something? They can go way up and like it'll make you make it look like sitting on a circle. And then you can zoom all in and like, man, it's cool. I gotta get one. What in the fuck is that? What is that? Is that a cutting wheel? Oh my God, it sure is. She warped all hell, but I bet you she's still cut. What the hell's that doing out here? It's amazing. When it rains, it floods, whatever. All kinds of shit will come down in here. Get caught. Somebody's sock. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's just a piece of bark. Anyways, there is no caves or anything around here, I don't think, that I've found. Otherwise, I'd take you to them. It's just such a beautiful spot. It's just right down the street from my house. That's for when it floods. Sometimes it comes over the sidewalk right here. You can tell how high it is right there by that sign. There was one time the water was damn near up to the top of the fucking bridge. And I'm going to guess that's probably 5 feet more on top of 4. So like 9 feet. Because 1 foot starts right at the edge of the sidewalk. But I remember one time we was on the bridge, like when everything flooded, all the roads were all over. Oh, I'm still trying to catch my breath. Don't smoke cigarettes, kids. I completely quit smoking. I smoke like a cigar once in a great while. That's about it. Something just kind of tied me over. A beer once in a great while too. Like, I used to drink like a damn fish. We don't do that no more either. Kind of proud of myself. Pat on my back. Pat on my booty too. Let's go. Good boy. Sorry, I don't get out much. Anyways, so if I go any further that way, like, I'm gonna run into civilization, and I really don't want to do that. I come out here to get away from all this shit. I'm going the wrong way, basically. So I'm gonna turn around. So I'm curious, what are you guys all doing today? Anything fun? I think Thanksgiving's coming up soon. I might go spend it with some family. Not my family, I'm kind of adopted, sort of. Whatever. But hey, I still got people that care about me, so that's a good thing, right? I do a lot of work for them on their houses and cars, and mow their yards, all kinds of stuff. So it's kind of neat to, get a little something back. be able to see the whole family, all the kids. I consider all the kids, like I'm Unc Ivan, all right? And those are my nieces and nephews. I'm about to be grandpa, man. Everybody's having kids left and right. I might be grandpa. Actually, I am in my real family. I ain't met any of the kids though. That suck. Orange. But you know, pedal, 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 pedal. So this is a different part of the river. She's got a little bit more water on this end. A little bit darker too. Don't drop the damn phone, Ivan. Moron. She is pretty though. Almost like fall calendar pictures, you know? You can see all the, look like deer prints. Bunch of them. They come down here and get a drink. There's all kinds of animals out here. I seen a fox or a coyote or whatever the hell it was. What are them little foxes? Coyote. I don't know. They kind of look like sheepdogs almost. Just a little bit smaller. Anyways, shorten my stick up a little bit. Ooh, you are about to fall out the holster. All right, let's go. Oh shit, I'm about to fall off my bike. Getting too old for that shit. Come on now. I just love how all the leaves are all different colors. Every color in the rainbow there almost. Especially these ones right here. These trees are already naked. Not going that way. Oop. There's too many people out here. I don't want to expose nobody. Wait till I get that thing for my head or my chest to hold the camera. We're gonna be in business. I ain't turning shit off then. Hopefully, I'll find something. Man, I really gotta quit doing that. I really need new shoes. They are so thin. I see a trail that goes in here. Where'd it go? Is that it? Yeah. It so is. Stick my bike down here so nobody sees it. Thinks that you have fucking free for all on getting free something. Oh yeah. There's a river. Again. Woo. So Dad's starting to get a little pooped. Oh God, it's muddy. What are these little berry things? You know, I think they're poisonous. I don't know what they are. They're like little tomatoes or cherries or something. I don't know, I know the birds love them. Look at how those trees grow. Look at all of them. They're all kind of, well, this one's split. Pretty crazy how they just hang off into the water. Especially that one. She's about to go in. She's dead. What the hell is that thing laying in the water? What is it, a tire? I don't know what that is. Nature steps. Kind of cool to walk through this sometimes, you know. Ooh, firewood. But I don't have a wood burning stove. Look at this damn tree. Boy, she did the splits or something. She got a 4-way split. Mm-hmm. Sure does. I'm starting to think maybe I need to take up fishing. Come down here and go fishing and see if I catch anything. I don't like fishing. Fishing sucks. It's boring. You gotta have a lot of beer when you fish. And if I do that, I like being in a boat. You know. I'm getting pooped, guys. I think we're gonna work our way towards back to the house because I am getting wore out. I still haven't eaten breakfast yet. It's probably what, maybe 11 a.m. I think, somewhere around there. I don't know. I'm waiting for my drug test to come back from Lowe's. I'm supposed to have orientation on Saturday, but I just contacted Lowe's and they said it's not back yet, so motherfucker, I passed, okay? I smoke fake weed. I smoke that shit they sell in the store. You can't bust me for that. Moron. Ooh. Paddle, paddle, paddle. I hope I'm getting better at holding this damn thing a little bit straighter. I'm kind of pedaling my ass off here. All right, we gotta go back down. We got more people coming. Those guys got those little bike cars where you sit down in it and your feet are like level with your eyes. Those are kind of cool. I've been collecting junk bikes off the curb and saving parts. I'm gonna build something. I'm thinking like a trailer or maybe like a little tow behind pop-up camper thing or something. Maybe I'll make a bike car. I don't know. Something's got like 3 wheels or maybe even 4 wheels. That would be cool, huh? If I get this job, I'm gonna buy me a welder and all kinds of other shit. I'm gonna start building something. You're gonna see a different side of me that nobody has seen. Besides maybe some of my family back home. I like to be creative. If you watch my video that I made last night on fixing that generator, man, that was my second video I made on it. The first one I didn't have no spark and I couldn't find the gas line. I got all that fixed. Oh, speaking of which, I need to go get some gas. Dump in that bad boy and see if I can get her to run. I got spark and I got gas going to it. Well, the lines anyway. I like tinkering with junk, you know? Find something in the trash. Drag it home, see if you can make it work. Make something else out of it. I don't know, save it, make parts out of it for something else. You know, this one's pretty dried up. Yeah, she's pretty dry. Ooh. I need to get one of them little electric bikes. Did you really think I'm fucking serious about that? Hell no, man. I gotta get my exercise. Working on 43 right now. And right now, everybody that's my age, I'm kind of whooping their ass if they're not in the gym. I can whoop anybody's ass. Here's that spot where I was at. I'm gonna have to come back and check that out again. Don't crash, don't crash. All right, let's get out of here. I need to go eat and sit on my butt for a minute, regroup. Still don't really know where that one goes. I think it goes out in the neighborhood somewhere. Ooh, ouch. I need a new seat, bad. It's got a little screw that goes straight out of your bunghole. Don't really feel too very good. You know, I wouldn't wish that upon anybody. All right, just a little bit more, a little bit more. Oh my God, I don't know why I'm so pooped. I haven't ridden my bike in probably been about 3 weeks or so this far. It's time for some exercise, baby. Look at the trees, look at the trees. Those are so pretty. Especially that one. This is where I lost my bike. I got a couple videos on that too. Matter of fact, I think I made 3 videos. I was so pissed. I don't want to talk about it. You go out that way though, you see there's a bunch of deer out there. When I was out there looking for my bike, I seen probably about 6 of them. Big old boulevard. All right. Well, here we are, back to civilization. You see that Beamer sitting right there? I'm gonna go ask her about it. Because it's been sitting there for a minute. And it's a little bit newer than mine, but the one that I had. But man, I would love to get my hands on that. I'm gonna go ask her. She's sitting on the porch right there. See her? All right. Wish me luck. So I'm just on my way home right now. People are a little more considerate around here. Thank you for going around me. I'm not trying to run my ass over. Oh, they got a blow up Chucky over here. I never seen one of those for Halloween. Pretty sweet. All right, I gotta put the phone down so I can maneuver this big boat of mine. Ooh, man. The hose guy. I think I just messed my jeans up looking at that car. Damn, baby. One day. One damn day. We got one boy that wants to say hi. Here she is. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. What's up, Missy Butt? Back her butt, forward tail. What you doing, little girl? She been good. Give me some ices, girls. Send me some ices. Say hi, YouTube. What do you think? Say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Well, anyway, so YouTube, if you like this sort of thing, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Write me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Things that you would like to see. I'm pretty much capable of doing about anything. So, I don't know. Just let me know what you think. Let me know that you enjoy. I like to make people smile and laugh and stuff, so. Until then, hey, YouTube, peace.